Hello, and welcome to this eProsima video tutorial. Here, we will develop our first eProsima RPC over DDS client-server application on Windows. This video assumes you have already downloaded and installed eProsima RPC over DDS and RTI DDS in your system. First, create a new IDL file with the text editor of your choice. In this demo, we will name it example.idl. Write an example like this one. We only have a function called example function. Now, we can generate code by running the command RPC DDSgen. But first, we highly recommend reading the output of the help option. To generate C++ code, type RPC DDSgen, then type the name of the IDL file, and then the example option. With this option, you can generate project solutions for specific platforms. In this demo, we will generate a 64-bit Visual Studio project. Now go to the folder to see the generated files. We've got source files and project files. Open the Visual Studio solution. We can see 5 projects here. The first one has the common serialization classes. The second one has the client proxy. It is meant to manage client communications. The third one has a client usage example. The fourth one has the server. It is meant to manage server communications. The fifth one has a server usage example. Let's see the client example. To create a client, we first need to create the protocol, meant to serialize and deserialize messages, and the UDP transport. In this demo, the service name will be example service and the service instance will be named instance. Once we have created the client proxy, we can easily invoke the example function. Now let's see the server example. To create a server, we need a thread strategy, the serialization protocol, the UDP transport, and the servant with the actual implementation. We are now going to develop this implementation. Open the server implementation example. In this demo, each time a client invokes the example function, we want the server to print a message. Now that we have written our example method, we can compile the application. Check the configurations option. The DLL options are used to create a dynamic library and link the binaries against it. In this demo, we are using a static approach, so select Release. Now build the solution. The projects will compile and we will be able to test our application. Start a new instance of the server. Go to the command prompt and access the binaries directory. Now execute the client. Note the server's output each time we execute the client. You now have a working client-server application made in just a few minutes. Visit www.eprosima.com for more information, and thank you for watching.